Well, hello everybody. UDX 483 Mud Bucket. Yeah, that's me, 483, and this is what I found this morning. Headed for the brush pile, and this bad boy was laying across my path. Yeah, not what I was expecting for sure. So, they're out. The season is active. This ain't a real big one. It ain't a real small one. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a button. Like I said, it's not a huge one, but I'm sure it's a deadly one. I ain't gonna find out. Be careful out there. Be aware of your surroundings. If the grass wasn't cut, this could have been a total different situation. It was laying right there in the bright sun, enjoying it. Headed right for my wife's flower garden. Yup, headed right that way. Well, you know the deal. It's me, 483, UDX 483. Again, everybody, be careful. 73s, 51s, and a click, click, click. Ciao, ciao, and peace.